Honyuton Keyboard Cleaning Kit. Keyboard cleaner does not require water, suitable for PC, tablet, notebook, computer keyboard, car vent, camera, etc. 160G/4 PCS. Made from environmentally friendly, non-toxic materials, it is a cleaning tool that cleans everything. Do you know? There are a lot of dust in your daily life that you can't clean. There are a lot of bacteria in these places. If you don't clean it, it will easily cause diseases. Now this product can help you. Each bottle is 160 grams. It can clean the computer keyboard, computer mainframe, camera, car accessories, etc. All the gaps that you can't clean by hand can help you clean. It can be reused. After each use, put it back in the bottle and store it in a dry environment. You can clean all the items. As long as you own it, you don't have to worry about dust. It is a versatile cleaning tool. I hope this product will help you clean all the dust and bacteria. Note: cannot clean fiber items. Honyuton Cleaning Gel, a simple-to-use cleaning gel for PC/notebook keyboards and other sturdy surface finishes such as car vents, cameras, printers, cell phones, calculators and speakers. It does not stick to the hands, has a subtle aroma, but does not irritate the skin. For ease of use, take a clean gel, gently press on the surface of the item to be cleaned, then slowly pull it up and the dust will be carried away by the gel. This cleaning gel can be used several times until the color darkens. Once the cleaning is complete, simply place the box in a cool place. Note: do not wash the gel with water. The cleaning gel smells sweet but can't be eaten. Keep away from children.